Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you stop sharing your IP address on Viber app. So for that, at first just go to your Viber app. Now into the Viber app, just click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now just click on settings. And after clicking settings, click on privacy, the second one. Now here you can see this option, use peer-to-peer. Now just click it to turn it off, and by just clicking it, your IP address won't be shared on Viber. So guys, that's how you can stop sharing your IP address on Viber app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.